In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make $100 per day doing affiliate marketing in 2023. The best thing about this method that I'm going to show you is that it's a free traffic method. It won't cost you a penny to set up. You don't even need to have a website. And in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to do it. Let's just log into one of my accounts here and we can see just how much money I've made doing this method. So as you can see, I'm inside my Warrior Plus account and you can see $85,066.65 inside this account. Now, here's a little disclaimer. Not all of this is from this method. I'd say about 25% of this money is from this exact method. So you can see this is working for me really, really well. So with that said, let's get started. But before we do, if you like videos just like this one that show you how to make money online, build an online business, or get free traffic to your websites, then be sure to hit the subscribe button because I release videos every week that show you exactly how to do this. And also go ahead and check out the link in the description where I'm going to give you a free trial to my own free traffic method that you can check out. So with that said, let's get started. Step number one, guys, we're going to go over to the website muncheye.com. And if you look down on the right hand side of the screen here, you're going to see the upcoming launches. You can see today is the 27th of February and there's launches there, and there are in total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 launches just today that are coming out that you can promote, and I'm going to show you how to promote them inside this video. If we look at tomorrow, which is the 28th of February, so there's a ton of launches happening every day. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 launches happening tomorrow. So here's what we're going to do. Let's click into this one here by Sean Josiah, and we're going to open up the JV page here. Now we're going to look for a demo video. To do that, we're going to go Control F and we're going to type in demo, and here is the demo video. So click play on the demo video. It's hosted on YouTube, so we can just go and copy the video URL, and we're going to go up to we're going to search for YouTube downloader, and the one that I use is doesn't seem to be here right now. Let me see this one here, y2mate.tools. We're going to enter the URL in here and we're going to let it load up. This right here that pops up is just an advertisement, so you can click off that and go back to the main website, and you're going to download the best one possible, so full HD, and we're going to click on download and it's going to open up that ad again. Let's click on download again. It's still going to give me ads. Okay, so it looks like this website has changed slightly. When you click on download, it opens up this new screen, which is an advertisement, but it also is your download page as well. So this is the video here, and we click on these three dots here, and we're going to click on download, and that's going to start to download the video. Now what you're going to do is you're going to upload that video to YouTube, but you can't upload that demo video directly because it's already on YouTube, and YouTube's going to see that as duplicate content. So what you want to do is you can create a video on your phone or on Camtasia or any other of those video creators, and what you want to just say is, hey, this is the demo of the product, which is called Auto Voice Profits 2.0. I'm going to show you exactly how this works inside this demo, and then the link to join is going to be in the description box below this video. So what happens there is people see your introduction, they see the demo, they buy through the link, and then you get paid for every purchase that goes through your link. So you've got the demo video downloaded and you're going to upload it to YouTube, but you need to get your link now. So where do you get your link? You're going to go back to Muncheye. Let's start from the start here at Muncheye, and you're going to go to again Sean Josiah. We click into his JV page. You're going to look for where it says get affiliate link. You're going to click on that, and it's going to bring you over to here, Warrior Plus. Now I need you to create a free Warrior Plus account for this method. So what you're going to do is just click on register, and then once you've done that, it's going to have a link here saying request your affiliate link. It'll take some time for Sean to approve that. If for some reason he doesn't approve that, come over to Facebook. Let me go over to my other, go over to here, go over to Facebook, and you're going to type in Sean Josiah doesn't look like Sean's here, is he? Here's Sean. So, and then you're going to just message Sean here on Facebook, and what you're going to say to him to get him to approve, because you're a brand new affiliate, he might not approve immediately. So what you have to say to him here is, "Hi Sean, I've just applied to promote your course, whatever it is. Can you please approve it? This is my new Warrior Plus account." So you don't want to say, "Hey, I'm a brand new affiliate," because he won't approve you. Say, "This is my new Warrior Plus account," because then he's going to be thinking, okay, this is their new account. Obviously, their other account might have sales on it. So he will be more likely to approve you then. So then once you have your affiliate link, you're going to grab it and bring it over to a website called bit.ly.com. You don't want to be just putting your affiliate links into YouTube. Number one, YouTube might ban you. Number two, it doesn't look good. People aren't really going to click them. So come over to bit.ly, create a new account here, and then when you've done that, go to the top left-hand corner of the screen here, click on Create New, click on Link, and just click off that there. Destination, you're going to put your affiliate link in here, whatever it is, HTTPS, oops, that's not it, HTTP : and then you go to www.my affiliate link, whatever it is. And then the title, you can put a title in there. So the destination, just put your affiliate link in there anyway. The title, put your title in there, and then you want to have a custom link down here. What's the name of the course? It's Auto Voice Profits. So Auto Voice Profits, and then you're going to create the link, and this link you're going to put under your video in YouTube, so that when people see your introduction, they see the demo all in one video, and then they go and they click the link, then you get paid affiliate commissions for doing that. This works really, really well, because a lot of traffic, when these launches go live on Muncheye, let me go back to Muncheye. So when these launches go live on Muncheye, a ton of traffic goes to these launches. Then it pretty much dies out after about 2 weeks. But for 2 weeks, there's going to be thousands and thousands of buyers going to this traffic. And what these people do then is they go to YouTube to try and find reviews about this software or this course or whatever it is that they're going to be buying. They're going to see your video, they're going to see your demo, and then they're going to buy through you. Now, if you want to make it even more powerful, you can add in a type of bonus that you will deliver to them when they buy through you. So you can say, if you buy through me, I'm going to give you, let's say, an hour coaching or a group coaching. You know, you do group coaching once a month, you get 100 people in there and you just do an hour with them. That would be an awesome bonus that you could give for someone to purchase through you. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button below this video. I release these videos every week that show you how to make money online, build an online business, and get traffic to your website. If you do have questions, put them in the comment section below. I'll respond personally to your questions. And yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. Have a great day.